So I've got the Galaxy A27 5G, and I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your phone to either an external flash drive or an external SSD or even a hard drive. Okay, so this could be any type of file, including photos and videos. So first thing you need to do is connect the SSD or flash drive to your phone. Now, this is a very interesting flash drive that I have, and it's from SanDisk. It's actually 256 gigs, and it has both a Type-C connector and a Type-A connector. It's actually very versatile. You can literally transfer files and folders from any device to any other device, almost. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to the Type-C side of this and connect it. Now, if you have an SSD, most modern SSDs will, basically all SSDs actually have a Type-C connector. You can simply plug it in directly to the Type-C port of your phone. Now, you can access that by going to the My Files app, which is normally in the Samsung folder. It's a stock app for any Samsung phone. That's what that app looks like. So that's the homepage for the My Files app. Now, if you scroll down to external storage section, you will see USB storage one. Now, I also have an SD card in here, so that's why you're seeing SD card. But this USB storage is storage device connected via USB. So these are the files and folders inside my flash drive. Now, if you want to, you can create a folder and call it A27. So for instance, this is one I'd created, but I've just noticed I misnamed it from instead of A26, should be A27. So let me go and rename it. Can I? Actually, I can't. So I'm going to rename this from A26 to A27. Just like that. Okay, so I've just created a folder inside the external storage device. So now I can go back to my internal storage, go to the DCIM folder, and then go to camera. This is where all my photos and videos that I've taken with this phone are going to be. So you can select the ones you want, and then tap on copy at the bottom of the screen, and then it's gonna give you a pop-up window. Choose your USB storage device, choose the folder you created, and select copy here, and that's going to copy over your photos and videos. Now you can go back to the internal storage, and then you can go and copy anything else. So for instance, you can go to the downloads folder and find some files in there. You can go to documents, movies, pictures, plenty of folders in here that you can look at and just transfer anything you want, including screen recordings and screenshots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.